Hey everyone, check out the SAVILAND Electric Nail Drill with a powerful 50,000 RPM motor for quick acrylic nail removal. This cordless nail file offers an impressive 10-hour battery life and charges fully in just 5 hours with a convenient Type-C cable. The built-in LCD display shows battery status, perfect for on-the-go manicures. It features 3 control buttons for power, speed, and direction, with ambient light colors indicating speed levels for easy use. The kit includes a variety of ceramic, metal, and sanding bits to handle grinding, carving, polishing, and nail removal. Plus, the stylish Black and Pink Ombre design adds a fashionable touch to your nail care routine. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this nail drill makes nail care efficient and fun. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.